In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again to click on Haptics and Sounds. Now select Haptic Feedback and use this switcher next to Haptic Vibration to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can use this slider under Vibration Feedback to adjust intensity of them. Then go back, tap on this option called Vibrate Vocals and apply one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!